morning children. This video for class 10 students. Today I am going to start the chapter number 5, the next chapter. So far we have discussed chapter number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we have seen how many questions are coming in board examination from these particular chapters. Now today I am going to start the next chapter. The name of the chapter is quadratic equation. Let us introduce this topic first. Any equation which can be written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a should not be 0, means the coefficient of x square must not be 0, that equation is called quadratic equation. For example, 3x square plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0 is the perfect example of quadratic equation. Here a is not equal to 0 because it is 3. Now see the next. Here 7x square plus 5x, even though the constant portion is missing over here, but a is not equal to 0. So in this case we can say a is 7, b is 5 and the constant c is 0. So this equation is also a quadratic equation. Look at the next example. In this example, x square coefficient is 1, which is not equal to 0. The coefficient of x is missing because x portion is not here. Constant term is surely it is available here. So this is also one of the quadratic equation. In the third case, x square plus 1. You see the same case over here. So this is also a quadratic equation. So this is the introduction of this particular topic, quadratic equation. Any equation where coefficient of x square is available, which should not be 0, coefficient of x is there, and the constant term we say and equal to 0, must be equal to 0, that is called quadratic equation. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. An example I have already given to you. Now today we will learn how to solve quadratic equation and what is the solution of the quadratic equation. So let's start the exercise. In the first exercise, this is 5.1. It is given that whether this is a quadratic equation or not, I have to check. So look at here, x square plus 1 upon x square plus 0 is there. After taking the LCM, it has become x ki power 4 plus 1 upon x square is equal to 0. Surely by cross multiplication I will get x square plus 1 is equal to 0, which is not a standard form of quadratic equation. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. Now in the next question, quadratic equation, it is available. There is no need to cross check it whether it is a quadratic equation or not. It is given to you and they are asking that whether this 1 and minus 1 are the roots of this quadratic equation or not. Roots means answer. Which values of x which is satisfying this equation, it is called the roots of this quadratic equation. So one by one I am going to check whether these two values are solutions or not. First of all, I will put x is equal to 1 because I have to check for 1. So it will be 1 square minus 1 plus 1, it is 0. It is 1 minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So 1 is equal to 0, which is not possible. So therefore x is equal to 1 is not a root. It is not a root. It is not a root. So move for next value. We have to check x is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 whole square, minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Minus 1 whole square is 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Here it is 3, which is not equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to minus 1 is not a root. Okay. So if left side equal to right side, then we can say it is a root, but here left side is not equal to right side, so we can say these are not a roots. So this is second question. Now look at the next question. In this question it is given that minus 1 upon 2 is a solution of this quadratic equation. So solution means it is a root of this equation, so it will satisfy this equation. Satisfy means if I will substitute the value of x is minus half in this question, so it will be equal to 0. So let's do the things. X is equal to minus half I am going to put in this given question. So 3 multiplied by minus half whole square plus 2k into minus half, it is minus 3 equal to 0. It will be 3 into 1 by 4 minus this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, so it will be minus k minus 3 equal to 0. So it will be minus k is equal to 3 minus 3 by 4. So minus k equal to minus 12 minus 3 upon 4. So minus k equal to 9 by 4. So finally k is equal to minus 9 by 4 is the final answer of this particular question. So what was the question? If x is if minus half is the solution of this quadratic equation, find the value of k. So what I did, I have taken the value of x is minus half and substituted here, and equal to 0 I have written and simplified. I got the answer k is equal to minus 9 by 4. So student, today your work is to complete till exercise 5.1 the remaining questions which I have not discussed here. I hope you are doing your work nicely and in a systematic order. I have not skipped any topic over here, so do it. Take it as a regular classes. If any problem is there, we will clear the doubts when the contact classes will be there. Thank you very much.